Welcome to Chef-Nomics, the channel where everything has a recipe. Everything involving food, home renovation, gardening, pool restoration, whatever we decide to tackle. This channel, you will learn how to save money, time, and probably a whole lot of aggravation. This is the final video on the pool restoration. 6 days later, let's look at the pool chemistry. I go to Memphis Pool for a detailed analysis of water chemistry. So I use test strips, I use these things, but this is a lot more dialed in than what I can do on my own. So this is where we left off after vacuuming the pool, getting all the algae out, cleaning it. Chlorine level is extremely high. Alkalinity, low. I added 12 pounds of baking soda into the pool at night. This is today. You zoom in on here, and if you look at the saturation index, perfect is 0. We're pretty close. There are a few things we have to do here. The water temperature is all at 75 degrees. We're almost there. Alkalinity is at 81 in a range of 80 to 150. I've got a 13.5 pound bag of baking soda, and I'm going to use half of it, bump that alkalinity up. We have rain coming for the next several days, but rain's acidic. Alkalinity, acidity, that's your pH. 0 to 14 scale, 7 is neutral. We're on the edge right now. We're on 7.5. It's going to be fine. We're going to get that free water out of the rain, but it's going to acidify the pool, so we want to boost it up a little bit. The hardness is low. That's calcium increaser. Got Pool Baron's calcium increaser for that. I'm going to use half the bucket, about 12.5 pounds in there. We've got a ways to go. But other than that, we are pretty well dialed in on this pool. I have to add some chlorine. I've got a duck dispenser floating in the pool. We haven't converted it to salt. That was the recipe. About 4 videos, how to get your pool open and ready for pool season. If you're not early, you're late, right? Go watch a video how to make a lasagna or take apart a chicken, you know? Fix a pool, grow tomatoes. That's what we're here for. Cheers.